So this variable you can cook here, yeah? It's like a stove.
598,000.
No, 60. 590?
Yes.
Holy shit. Oh, so you can cook here.
600,000.
啊？啥叫搞算？
还有是那种带扣的，
哦，热乎。
Want some here and sensors.
Oh, then it just turns on, right? The curtain.
Yeah.
And then you got these soft closures here. Not bad. There is another mattress up here. I don't know what they use it for. It's another mattress up here. Or for kids. Yeah. There's an up and down. I don't know if something can come down. This one? Yeah, it comes down. You see that?
Oh, okay. It extends. You can put it, push it
Yes,
down.
and this one drops.
Yeah. And you can
This
have
one.
like double bed.
Yeah, drops. Then you can have double bed. Have an air conditioner here.
Two adults, two kids, yeah?
Yeah. It's so tight though. Super tight.
Super tiny.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think you need to, you see,
Put it up, right?
fold it up. Yeah.
Only when you're sleeping you bring it down.
Yeah.
Yeah, otherwise you can barely turn. See? Yeah, I know. Mm-hmm. Yeah, of course. 1, 2, 3, 4 in terms of seating.
Yeah, sitting.
There's a sound bar here.
Sleeping maybe.
And there is a sunroof up here. Very cool. They're kind of being smart using delivery.
对。不需要，谢谢。
Yeah. No, they're not even. They're like local brands. Yeah, these are Fords, but I want local brands. Yeah. Wakanda? De-Lite. What is De-Lite?
真的。
Oh, they all like more than half a mil, yeah?
Yeah.
What brand is it?
Is it electric?
Yeah, I think it's hybrid, probably hybrid. Do you see how huge it is? You even got like a balcony on the top. Yeah. If you buy this, you don't need to rent a place.
Yeah.
You can live in it.
Yeah.
That is crazy. Yeah, you can live in it.
And then you advertise tours around China or like around, Shanghai or something.
But that's what Sammy used to do with his sidecar. Remember his sidecar?
I haven't seen that's around Shanghai, but this you can go like to, literally to like,
Oh, okay.
provincial provinces.
So if you put this up, that means you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seats.
Yeah.
And then you say you can bring this down, you see?
Put it down.
Yeah. It don't. It's okay. I think it's gotta be for like a kid though.
One person. One person can.
So one, yeah, you're so one.
Or two. Here, two. With the kid.
Yeah, so you get like
Adult and kid. And then there's one more adult.
two
here,
beds.
2 adults here.
You get a microwave up here. Get like storage, tiny storage. And then you got like, oh, this is cool. Look, we got a security feature here. The camera. You can see around the corner. It's not bad at all. These Chinese cars. Oh, this is Ford.
Yeah, this one is the Chinese can make this.
That's what they do. They copy the same thing. Oh, that's why I saw transit in the end.
What's this? Washing machine?
No,
No, sink. There's no washing machine one.
probably not.
A tiny one. This is a toilet.
Yeah.
Where does it go?
This receptacle down there that you can you
No,
go and
clean
then
it
you
up.
take
it
you
out.
pick it up and throw it. When your neighbor messes up with you, just throw it.
So is there like a shop? There's a
There is
shop.
a shot. Yeah, everything is mini. You even got a socket.
我想起就是。
But it still says transit though, you see? Transit. Yeah, I know. And it also says recent, yeah. Yeah. These are the lights Eric was asking.
One, you
You
take
see that? The bar and the light Eric's. That's what we bought.
You take people on the tour.
Yep. It's like $4.40, a little cheaper than the other Ford. So you can do like you have like this on this side. The trash can is also useful. The trash can.
It has more space.
What? Trash can is good.
Yeah, it has more space. It's a double layer.
Okay. So then the Ford.
It's of course it's bigger.
Bigger than
There
the
is a
Ford.
and the price is
44. Yeah, they also got the same thing.
It's
Look,
got the washing machine.
they got the monitor and they got everything.
Okay, so there's only one bed here.
Yeah, it's got the same thing. See?
Yeah, I mean this is standard.
Yeah.
是可以啊，你这里再坐个小孩子可以。
对，我就说他只能坐2个人嘛。那你坐。
Which one's one bed?
But two people can
我
fit
只是
though.
问他这个椅子是不是，
Can you see
如果
here?
你是办公或者是娱乐，那椅子是不是高级的比较手之类的？
这个椅子舒适度比前面
That's
驾
the
驶
thing.
室的舒适度。
They think of stuff that they
这个
legacy
房子跟
brands
驾驶
don't
室的
think
舒
about.
适
Because
度
this is very useful if you're on the road.
Yes, especially
You want the road, you got it washed.
那你混动的目前就只有你前面那一台了。
Like a
稍
wooden
有软件。
You actually get a window with the bathroom. Oh yeah.
稍有用油来上，里面人好多。
It's like a small home. This is more practical, right? That's the thing with BYD. They always make it more practical, more functional.
就充电。It's quite big for Chinese EV.
It is. It's way bigger than the Ford. I saw the Ford. It was kind of tiny. This one makes a lot of pay.
我问这上面是个床吗？
Yeah,
上面是一个升降床。
Yeah, you can bring it in.
放下来看一下。
Oh,
这个要按2次啊。
Oh, yeah, you have to
okay.
press twice.
Oh, okay.
啊，你关在里边了，小朋友，不能再出来了。小朋友
So
吓坏
two
了。
can't fit up here. Two can't fit.
可以躺2个人。
And like, you see that thing?
Yeah.
上面升到顶的空间够不够把被子整个留在上面？
cooking extractor.
高度可以控制，差不多就
Who's there? Oh, the microwave.
Yeah, microwave this way. Yes, this. And the sink also is way bigger than the other one.
No, but the car is bigger.
一大堆东西，
Yeah, no worries.
对吧？所有
When
东
it's
西都能在上
BYD,
面
they always put the
这
extra
个东西永
mount.
远在这里，
吃喝拉撒永远酱醋，
这高
永
永远
远离不
在这儿，
开这个，
不会再动了。
永远离不开这个。
对，这是一个实际的问题。
Wanaka.
I was thinking, no way it would be so cheap. Japanese, right?
Okay, so again, this one comes down. But you can tell the difference. BYD was a little bit, even the screen wasn't, like the resolution wasn't that bright.
That's big.
It was like a whole dining area. Hey.
A tiny washing machine.
Got a storage.
Tiny.
Yeah.
Look, very tiny.
Oh, okay. Yeah, doesn't matter. It gets the job done.
Very tiny.
It's like a storage in here. Like a freezer down there. I got a mirror here.
喂，王姐，哎，
Toilet. Washing machine.
好吧，你看
How do you open this thing?
锅粉什么的有没有啊？家里？你看一下家里有没有锅粉，没有我就买一点。你哎，
The shower up here.
没有锅粉那我就买一点。
This is an oven.
Guys.
Oven. And where's the stove?
Yeah, I keep saying
Maybe
that.
outside.
But this is big. This is like a house size. You got the cabinet. A conditioner here. More storage.
Stove is probably outside.
So I guess you let this go down. You see that? You see that, boo? You let this go down.
Yeah. Down,
Retractable.
and then you look. This there is a back.
Yeah. So that
Goes down.
the bed can come down.
Yes. That's that.
Can make sense. I think it's probably like yeah, so you can talk to the driver, yeah. It's so heavy, it's like proper wood.
6 people can fit
Yeah. But we gotta think about this and stop renting houses.
in. Renting house.
Mm-hmm. Okay. This is not bad. You can take a nap here. You got like sockets up here. You get Siemens. You can also even sit here if you want, right? You can. So you can have like a nice chilling spot. Ooh, your white balance, so bright. It's crazy.
Another rack.
Yeah.
So you can have probably 4, 5 people.
Mm-hmm.
And there, 2 more. 7. they're cooperating with Wanaka. Under Wanaka Senator, Owo, BYD, and Shilin. Under Wanaka. I guess they're like cooperating.
Yeah. Because I was wondering why they all Wanaka.
It's like maybe it's like OEM, right? They're getting the cars from different manufacturers, like Sinotruk, BYD, and.
Yes. Pretty cool.
这里可以睡几个人啊
6个，
大人，6个大人。
这是2个人。
应该是6个大人有点挤，有4个大人2个小朋友可以。
这是2个人是不是
这么说？这么好，
你这2个人吗？
这可以2个。
2个，还有。
你们中文都说这么好。
还行吧。还有这也2个人。
啊，那个床是1.35米的，也可以睡2个人。
They got the fridge.
爸爸妈妈、爷爷奶奶、2个小孩都是。
Is it gas or is it hybrid? 是电动的还是
柴油的？
柴油的？
大家的油价都不一样啊。
那你们做执照的车子是在河南？
对。
那不是不同的牌子吗？这个是豪华，那个是比亚迪，那个是。
对，这都是我们工厂做出来的。
都是在你们河南的工厂。
对，然后我们。
那为什么是3个不同的？牌子。
就是我可以，就是这个底下这种叫头，它的这种叫底盘。我进过来底盘，它每个纺织厂都是这种，你现在看到的都一样。它从这个底盘的厂家把它底盘进货，是里面好像还是睡眠区、好无。
Yeah. Yeah, like a proper one, right? What is this for? Yep. Oh, this is Maxus. It's not a vacuum. It's Maxus.
What?
Maxus.
Daddy.
目前做这块全国做了，你要换的东西，你早解决了吧？